everyone, we are going to learn how to do base 8. Now base 8 is different because like for us base 10 is all 10 fingers. Base 8 is only 4 on each hand, but you also start with 0. So we are going to count to 77 8. Now 77 8 starts like this. You're going to do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now these two, like your thumbs, will be 8 and 9. Now you skip those when you're adding and subtracting and multiplying and even counting in base 8. So when you do 8 and 9, you're going to skip here, and this one will be 10. So let's do this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. Remember, we don't use these when we count. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and 77. Now that we've done that, 77 will be it, and then we would have to skip ahead because we don't do 80 and 90, so it'd skip to 100. Now, since we know how to add, or since we know how to count in base 8, let's do some addition and subtraction and multiplication problems. Now, these problems here, we have the first one is 57 8 plus 45 8. This is what it's going to look like right here. Now, when we add, remember that 7, like it's 57 8 plus 45 8. Now, it's 7 plus 5, but remember that you can't do 8 and 9. So it would be 7 and then 10. So 7 plus 5, it would be 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and that's 5. So 4, and then you put the one up top like this. Okay? Now, 5 plus 4, and then the remainder 1 from the first part. So 5, 6, 7, but remember you can't do 8 and 9, so it'd skip to 10. So 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, and then remember that 1, so that'd be 12. And the answer will be 124 8. That is what 57 plus 45 8 equals. And the reason why is because, remember, 8 and 9 cannot be used because we're counting base 8. And it always starts at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then our thumbs are not included, which would make us skip to 10. Now, let's try a subtraction problem. We have 432 8 minus 275 8. Now, we do these just like we do base 10. But the only difference is we don't use 8 and 9. So for these, we still have to take a number away. So 3 would be 2, and then 2 would be 12, yeah, 12. Just like this. Okay, so 12 minus 5. So we have 12, 11, 10, 7, 6, 5. So 12 minus 5 would be 5, because when you're counting, you always skip 8 and 9. So 12, 11, 10, 7, 6, 5. And 12 minus 5 is 5. Now, 4 becomes a 3 because we have to take 1 out of that and then add 8 to the next. So 2 then becomes 12 again. 12 minus 7, so we have 12. 11, 10, 9, oh, scratch that. 12, 11, 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 12 minus 7 would be 3, and then 3 minus 2 would be 1. So 432 8 minus 275 8 would be 135 8. And then last but not least, let's do a multiplication problem. We're going to do 52 8 times 37 8. Now, since I have a little chart here, it helps me, just kind of look and see what each number would multiply, and, it's a lot easier. But it's good to also know what you're multiplying. So, 2 times 7 would be 16. So 7 times 2, 16, and you carry the 1, and then 7 times 5 would be 43. I bet you also have to add 1, so 44. And then drop your 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 3 is 17, and then we add. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. 2 and carry the 1, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then we add that extra one, so 14. And then 1, and then we had the carried over 1 would be 2. So the answer would be 2,426.8. Thank you for watching.